Hi everybody, Johnnie here. Let's do some counting together. We'll need something to count, and we need a cat. How many dots do you see? How many altogether? Let's organize them to see what we have. Let's put these together over there. Maybe those will go there. And maybe these will go over here. Let's see. And these here. And these will be over here. And these as well. And over here. This one needs to be there. And these here. And these here. And this last one's hiding over there, so put it with the right ones. Okay. Let's see what we have. How many here? How many here? How many here? How many here? And how many altogether? Let's organize them a little differently. Let's put these up here, and those next. This one's going to come down here. Another one of those. A couple of these are going to be down here, and this one here. This goes with this. A couple more of these, and these will all go way up here. And this one will go into the spot there. Okay, and now these, let's see, another one of those. These will go like this, and these last ones here, have quite a few of those, don't we? This and this, another like that one. I think that's it. Let's take a look at what we have. Let's organize them a little bit better so we might see them. Let's see. I think I like that top row. This row might work better that way. And the next row looks good. Next one too. Let's organize these like this. That might help us to see them better. And these should be close together. Take a look. How many in the top row? How many in this next row? How many in this row right here? How many here? And then how many in this row here? There's so many. And how many in this last row? And how many altogether? Let's organize them a little differently. What if we made some friends? Like these are friends, and then these are friends. And then these are friends, and these are friends, and these last two here will be friends. And lots of room here, so let's go ahead and make some more. What about these two being friends? These two, and these two, and maybe this one gets a special couple friends. Maybe these will be friends together like this. Look at what we have. And what if we just leave that top row like it is, but here we make friends like this, and we make friends like this, and this one will be by its lonesome. What do we have over here? How many? 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 How many and how many? And how many on this side altogether? And then how many up here? And how many? And how many? How many altogether here? And let's not forget this one. How many altogether? What if we put these together? How many would there be there? And these together? How many? And these together? How many? These together? How many? And these together? How many? And if we took all of these and put them together up here, like this, how many are there? And if we took these and did the same thing, how many are here? And if we took all of these and put them with all of those, how many dots are there? And let's not forget, let's go ahead and add these too. How many dots altogether in this section? And let's not forget to add these, and these, and these, and this one. How many dots altogether? Let's build some things. I'm going to start with these. And I'll build a pyramid, I think. Let's see what we can build. Let's see, we'll have to have enough of these to start with. Put these on the bottom. And then we'll need some of these. A couple more of those. Let's see, what should go on top of that row? Oh, of these, of course. So let's go ahead and put a couple of these. Need one more. There it is. And then what goes on top of that one? We'll need a couple of these. So we'll take a couple of these and put them up here. And what should go on the very, very top? Well, this one. Look what we have here. Let's think about that for a second. Let's build something next to it. Let's take a couple of these, a couple more of these. Let's take apart these. We'll make some bookends. It's a nice set of bookends. We'll put all of these down here. Think about that one for a moment. Let's go ahead and make these friends. And let's see. These two could use a friend as well. This one's going to be by its lonesome. How many here? How many here? How many here? How many here? And how many in our pyramid? And let's not forget this one. How many altogether? Let's make a train. Let's start the train with these. And let's go ahead and add these and these. Add them to our train. How many dots in our train already? And let's go ahead and take some of these. Let's see, these. And then these. And put them in our train. How many dots in our train now? And let's add our pyramid. Let's go ahead. Bit by bit we'll add the pyramid. Think about how many more dots we're going to be adding by putting our pyramid on attached to this. But let's not forget this one. If we add that, how many dots are on our train? How many altogether? I bet the cat knows. Do you?